I don't think we're going to make this light. Oh, we made this light. We made this light. We had the detour. Where my homies at?
Do a
Where my
double
dogs at? Where my homeboys at? What's the good word for the day?
Better off than that guy.
Yeah, he had a bad accident. It took me and my wife about 15 minutes to get back to where we gotta go. Yeah. See you later, baby. All right, you too now. Where my homies at?
Do a
Where my
double
dogs at? Where my homeboys at?
Do a double
There's a body down here in the fucking road. There's a body down there in the road. Where my homies at?
Do a
Where my
double
dogs at? Where my homeboys at?
Do a double
Someone got killed down here on Suffolk Avenue, and their body is in the road across from 7-Eleven. Okay? A dead body. There's a dead body down here on Suffolk Avenue in Central Islip, across from the 7-Eleven on Lowell Avenue train station in Central Islip. A dead body. A dead body. Where my homies at?
Do a
Where my
double
dogs at? Where my homeboys at?
Do a double
WWWOT on time live. Otis Lee, red tablecloth.
Baby please, curly aka
Where my homies at?
Do a
Where my
double
dogs at?